What's up, yo? Welcome back to Miller's Barbecue. We took a break for a minute, but we're back now. We're here to stay. Yeah. I want to say thanks to our sponsors, Todd Salsa. Check them out at toddsalsa.com. Today we're going to be making Miller's style armadillo eggs. If you don't know what an armadillo is, kind of looks like this.
I am an armadillo.
Got our Italian sausage here. We got our herb and garlic cream cheese, some sweet peppers, jalapeno peppers. Got some Monterey Jack cheese. Whip this all up. We're gonna start the barbecue in a minute. Do how we do with Miller's Barbecue. Drink a couple of beers, and let's get going. Alright, so we're gonna get started on these Miller's Armadillo eggs. I'm gonna start by prepping our jalapenos here. Take a knife. Now, you don't want to cut them in half. What you want to do is just take a little bit off the top here. Cut a little bit off the top. And that's what you're left with. I'm just gonna cut this core out, clean it out better after with a spoon. That's how we start. Peppers are seeded, they're hollowed out. Just be careful where you touch yourself after working with them. Some might sting. Learn from experience. Next we got our sweet peppers. These we're gonna chop up, dice them up, mix them in with the sausage meat that we're gonna use. Just cut my finger up there. Always happens with the fucking peppers. Every time. Alright, so we got our peppers prepped, ready to go. Next step, the sausage. We got some Roma sausage, nothing fancy. We're gonna be using some Mayhem Mikes from Antelope, California. This dude was nice enough to hook us up. Sauces, rubs, everything. Really good stuff, I'm gonna tell you right now. Save that for later. So what we want to do with the sausage, I get the meat out of the casing. Just get the casing stuff. We're gonna put this in their sweet peppers that we cut up before. We got 10 of them here. Hopefully that's enough. Just slice them down the middle. So sausages are all taken out of their case. We put in the same bowl with the diced up sweet peppers that we cut up earlier. Now we gotta mix this shit up all together. The best way to mix it up, with your hands. Those colorful peppers mixed all in. Do what life's all about. Put your hands in some meat. Mixing that shit all up. The smell coming off here is amazing. Smell the peppers, smell the sausage. It's gonna be bomb. Sausage and peppers kind of mixed together. We got our Mayhem Mikes badass barbecue right here, Antelope, California. What's up? Throw some of this into the sausage mixture. Make it more badass than it already was. So that's how we do here at Miller's Barbecue. Boom. Some sausage, some peppers, some Mayhem Mikes badass fucking barbecue rub. This shit's fucking awesome. Next up, time to make our little cheese mixture for the jalapenos, the armadillo eggs, Miller style. So what we got here is herb and garlic cream cheese, Philadelphia, kills me to say that. Patriots forever. We got some grated up Monterey Jack right here. We're gonna throw in some bitchin' beef, Mayhem Mikes, a little bit in there. There we are, we got our cream cheese. Throw this whole tub in here. Mayhem Mike, what's up, brother? A little bit of this in here, give it some color. I'll toss this in here too, mix this shit all up. Just imagine how good it's gonna taste when it's all melted
in your mouth.
See them watching from a distance. I ain't with no bitch shit. Wind up on the hit list. If you finna take me down, roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up. Little mama, she can get thick. Ain't about no cuffing shit. Fuck the undercovers, never really did fuck with pigs now. Roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up. Boy, that envy turned to hate, but I'm out here trying to motivate. Fuck what they saying, trying to break, but they don't understand what's at stake. They all feeble.
It's time to stuff these bad boys up. Cream cheese mix. Now this is just gonna be like you're making ABTs. I've already seen the poppers on our Super Bowl special. If you haven't, go watch it. Links there. I'm trying to put a lot of this shit in here. Never gonna want a regular jalapeno popper again. As you can see, these are easy to make so far. It's not gonna get too much more complicated. So anyone can make these. And that's why we do this, just to show you how to make some crazy, crazy shit on the barbecue. Mayhem Mikes, bitchin' beef. We're just gonna put a little bit more on here. Just like that. Okay, so everything's prepped. This is, you just saw. Now it's time to make these fucking eggs. We got our sausage and pepper mixture right here. Got the poppers ready to go here. Some parchment paper put down. So we're gonna have to flatten this shit out. Dump it onto here. Just like that. Nothing fancy. Press it together. So we get one nice sheet, uniform, ready to go. Always keep this shit cold, it's easier to work with. Like yo mama. If you really want to get mad, you can slap that bitch. We take our time here. Now what we're gonna do is take some of this, wrap it around each of the jalapenos, form a little sausage egg, jalapeno stuffed inside. Little jalapeno poppers. This is gonna be one badass jalapeno popper. You can only smell them, they smell amazing. I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of bitchin' beef rub. Barbecue's going. Got some maple wood on there because we're Canadian. It's the only trees we have here. Oh. There we are. Armadillo eggs, Miller style. Time to get them on the barbecue, let them smoke. Gonna give them a little coat. Some Mayhem Mikes. Sweet Chipotle. Badass shit. Throw these on here quick. You're gonna let them smoke for another 10-15 minutes. Brush this on a bit. What you want. She's looking good. Everything's looking good here. Miller style armadillo eggs. Just like that. Do how we do. She's flowing. Everything's good. That's where it's at. right here in the back. All right, made our armadillo eggs. Got my beautiful girl here, Teresa. We're gonna try them out. Taste tester. See how we did it. See what we got. That's how it's done. Slice it up. Here we are, armadillo egg.
I get to try first.
I already know it's bomb.
Very good.
That's it.
Oh, the whole thing.
Very good. Alright, so that was it for our first episode back. 2018, we're staying, we're doing good. Rubs BBQ. I want to say a shout out and thanks to our sponsors, Todd Salsa. Check them out, toddsalsa.com. Huge shout out to Mayhem Mikes, Antelope, California. This shit is fucking good. Buy some, it's amazing. Check it out, we got a new episode coming out very soon. You guys are gonna love it, stay tuned for it all. I want to thank my girl right here, my baby. Coming back soon, Rubs BBQ. That's how we do.
This, that, brass knuckle rap, thundercats in the yard, clap clouds when you browsing around where they found at. Bowser and Sephiroth cross where your town at. Watch me destroy the foundation where it sound at. Then name a couple blank rounds where the crown at. Just to watch your heart rate spark on you clown cats. Facts flow, graduated, no gown cap. Van Gogh with chalk outline where the ground at. Lion pedigree, no house cat. Slick lines, leave strychnine in your mousetrap. Rat, your bloodline really ain't about that. Old cap nasty, half a kilo on the bounce back. Ambassador black, the flash bastard. Snap Hannibal, leg rap, silence the pasture. Cannibal breath, demanding more mechanical reps. I line them up and Jason handle the rest. We out.
Took a little break and now we're back to it. Sometimes I wonder how my other half's doing. They call me Jeffrey Dahmer in a black Buick. Matches, wretched, sexes, and max cool. Took a little break and now we're back to it. Sometimes I wonder how my other half's doing. They call me Jeffrey Dahmer in a black Buick. Matches, wretched, sexes, and max cool. The return of the horrific. Thought we could work a visit into a busy schedule of murder and burning bridges. It's not what you expected, but isn't it worth a listen? A necessary evil, without us the world would miss it. Took a little vacation and now we're just agitated. Crashing the Grammy, shaking the rafters, a panty raiding. I'm a little confused, Rihanna and Katy Perry. I'm sorry if it was rude to be taking them while you're wearing them. In a bit of a pickle, I'm losing all of my fucks. I look through every pocket, but they're not in my tux. I guess I must have left them when getting off of the bus. You wanna come help me find them? Sit wine and find them my nuts. I promise to be a word, am I saying fuck it, I'm lying? I've never been the one to get down with shucking and jiving. I'm an animal mixed with gunpowder and alcohol. A cannonball on a loose search of a matador. Took a little break and now we're back to it. Sometimes I wonder how my other half's doing. They call me Jeffrey Dahmer in a black Buick. Matches, wretched, sexes, and max cool. Took a little break and now we're back to it. Sometimes I wonder how my other half's doing. They call me Jeffrey Dahmer in a black Buick. Matches, wretched, sexes, and max cool. Took a little break and now we're back to it. Sometimes I wonder how my other half's doing. They call me Jeffrey Dahmer.